Welcome! Today we're diving into a classic indulgent treat, lobster rolls. This New England favorite combines tender, succulent lobster meat with a creamy, flavorful salad, all nestled in a buttery, toasted bun. Perfect for a special occasion or a luxurious meal at home. Let's get started. Let's quickly go over the ingredients you'll need. First up, for the lobster salad, you'll need 2 pounds of cooked lobster meat. That's about 4 to 5 lobsters if you're cooking them fresh. Make sure to chop the meat into bite-sized pieces for easy eating. Next, we have our creamy base, half a cup of mayonnaise. This will give our lobster salad a rich, smooth texture. To add some brightness and tang, we'll use 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This will really enhance the flavor of the lobster. For some fresh herbal notes, you'll need 1 tablespoon of finely chopped fresh chives and 1 tablespoon of finely chopped fresh parsley. These herbs will add a nice pop of color and flavor. We'll also add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard for a little bit of zing and complexity. And don't forget 1 teaspoon of celery salt for that subtle, unique flavor. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, balancing out all those wonderful flavors. Moving on to the rolls, you'll need 4 to 6 New England-style split-top hot dog buns. These buns are perfect because they toast up beautifully on the sides. For toasting, we have 2 tablespoons of melted, unsalted butter. You can also use an additional 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter to spread directly on the skillet or griddle for extra flavor. Finally, for optional toppings, you might want some lettuce leaves for a bit of crunch, sliced pickles for a tangy contrast, and lemon wedges for an extra burst of freshness. With these ingredients ready, you're all set to make some amazing lobster rolls. Let's get cooking. Let's start by preparing our lobster meat. If you're using live lobsters, you'll need to steam or boil them until they're fully cooked. For a 1.5-pound lobster, this will take about 8 to 10 minutes. Once the lobsters are cooked, let them cool down completely. This makes it easier and safer to handle them. After they've cooled, it's time to remove the meat. Carefully extract the meat from the claws, knuckles, and tail. Make sure to get every bit of that delicious lobster. Now chop the lobster meat into bite-sized pieces. This will make it perfect for our lobster salad. Now that our lobster meat is prepped, let's make the lobster salad. In a large bowl, combine your chopped lobster meat, half a cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped fresh chives, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped fresh parsley, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 teaspoon of celery salt. Mix everything together until it's well combined. You want all those flavors to blend nicely with the lobster meat. Next, season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Give it a quick taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Once everything is mixed and seasoned perfectly, cover the bowl with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time will let all the flavors meld together beautifully. While our lobster salad is chilling, let's prepare the buns. Start by brushing the sides of your split-top hot dog buns with melted butter. This will give them a delicious buttery flavor. Next, heat a skillet or griddle over medium heat. Place the buns on the skillet or griddle and toast them until they're golden brown on both sides. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can spread a little butter directly onto the skillet or griddle before toasting the buns. Either way, make sure they get nice and golden. Now it's time to assemble our lobster rolls. First, if you like, line each toasted bun with a crisp lettuce leaf. This adds a nice crunch and freshness to your lobster roll. Next, generously fill each bun with the chilled lobster salad mixture. Make sure to really pack it in there. You want every bite to be full of that delicious lobster salad. Finally, serve your lobster rolls immediately. You can add optional toppings like sliced pickles for a tangy bite or lemon wedges for an extra burst of freshness. Before we wrap up, here are some tips for making perfect lobster rolls. First, quality lobster is key. Use the freshest lobster available. Freshly cooked lobster meat is always preferable, but if you're short on time, high-quality pre-cooked lobster meat from a trusted seafood market works well too. Next, balance the flavors in your lobster salad. Adjust the seasoning to your preference. If you like it more tangy, add a bit more lemon juice. For a touch of sweetness, consider adding a tiny bit of honey or sugar. When it comes to the buns, New England-style split-top hot dog buns are traditional for lobster rolls. They have flat sides that toast up nicely. If you can't find them, any soft top split bun will work. Toasting the buns is crucial for adding texture and flavor. Make sure to butter them and get them golden brown but not burnt. Letting the lobster salad chill for at least 30 minutes helps the flavors meld together. If you have more time, an hour or two in the fridge is even better. And finally, serve the lobster rolls immediately after assembling to enjoy the contrast between the warm, toasted bun and the cold, creamy lobster salad. Enjoy your delicious lobster rolls.